Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make sugar glass. It is really fun and really cool to make, especially for Halloween decorations. You can leave it clear, color it with food coloring, you can flavor it. The possibilities are endless and it really elevates your dessert to a professional level. Don't you worry, the recipe is in the description, so go check that out. You guys are going to love this recipe. We're going to start in a saucepan with some water, corn syrup, and sugar. That is all you need. If you're adding flavoring or food coloring, go ahead and add that in at this point as well. But you're going to cook this over medium heat. Make sure you have a candy thermometer in that pot, because once it reaches 290 to 295 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to take it off the heat, have a sheet lined with a silicone baking mat prepared, and pour this mixture on. Make sure you're careful because that is really hot. Then you want to tilt the pan around just to make sure it's an even thickness, and you can tap it to let those air bubbles kind of release themselves. Then you're going to want to let this sit at room temperature for a good few hours before it is hard, and you can just smash it into whatever pieces you like. All kinds of shapes and sizes are going to happen when you do that, and it is really fun and really easy. Isn't that really easy for such a really cool and professional looking component to add to a dessert? I love to make Halloween themed cakes and stick shards of glass in it everywhere. You can put them on cupcakes, cookies. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. Once again, the full recipe in the description. Be sure to check out my other social media, which is also linked below. Hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me some comments. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.